Hello all, welcome to my channel Education Art and Craft. Today I am going to tell you some information about Swachha Bharat Abhiyan. Before beginning with the video, if you are new to my channel or haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss my new video updates. Let's begin. Swachha Bharat Abhiyan. Clean India, Green India, Healthy India. Swachha Bharat Abhiyan means Clean India Mission. It was started by our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. The campaign began on 2nd October 2014, the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. The main goal is to make India clean, green, and healthy. Under this mission, many dustbins and waste management systems were set up. It teaches us to keep our homes, schools, and streets neat and tidy. We should always use dustbins and avoid throwing garbage on roads. The mission also spreads awareness about clean water, hygiene, and sanitation. Many leaders, celebrities, and citizens took part and supported the campaign. A clean India will make our country strong, healthy, and beautiful. Thank you. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.